In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be always online on Slack, 2026 edition. Keeping your Slack status green helps signal to your team that you're available and responsive. By default, Slack changes your status to away when it stops detecting activity for a period of time. On desktop, that usually happens after about 10 minutes without mouse movement, keyboard input, or active window focus. On mobile, simply sending the app to the background can cause the same shift. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the approved setup options first, and then the device side activity methods described in the process. Start by opening Slack, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Once you're inside your workspace, click your profile picture. Depending on your layout, this may be in the bottom left corner or the top right corner. That opens the account settings menu where you can control your current presence and related preferences. Next, look for the presence option. If Slack is showing you as away, you'll see the empty circle. Click the option that says set yourself as active. This manually switches your status back to the green dot. It's a simple step, but it's worth doing first because it brings you out of idle mode immediately before you make any deeper adjustments. After that, review your computer's sleep and display settings. This matters because if your operating system powers down the display too aggressively or puts parts of the system into sleep mode, Slack can stop syncing properly in the background. On Windows, go to Settings, then System, then Power and Battery, and under Screen and Sleep, change the timeout options to Never. On Mac, open System Settings, then Lock Screen, and set Turn Display, off when inactive to Never. This gives Slack the best chance to maintain an active connection. If native settings still aren't enough, the next method is client-side hardware emulation. One option is to use a mechanical hardware mouse jiggler. This is especially useful on a work machine where software installation may be restricted. Place your mouse on the device and it will create subtle movement every few seconds. That tiny movement is enough to register as ongoing activity at the operating system level. The final option, intended for personal machines with the right permissions, is to run a Python automation script using the PyAutoGuy library. In a text editor, create a simple script that moves the cursor 1 pixel in one direction, then 1 pixel back, and repeats that loop continuously with a 4-minute pause between cycles. That interval stays comfortably under Slack's idle threshold while keeping cursor movement minimal. If you stop the script manually, it exits safely. That's the full setup for keeping your Slack presence active using the exact methods in this guide.